A and B stitch rows. Hi there and welcome back. Glad you're joining me on my synthetic turf journey. JW here. I want to talk about something that can make or break the look of your synthetic grass installation when you're installing an A and B stitch pattern synthetic turf. There are very few out there, but some artificial turf products are designed with alternating stitch rows. This is what we call an A and B stitch. These rows vary slightly in color and blade shape. One row is thin and lighter in color, and then the next row is thicker and darker in color. While it may be subtle, it plays a significant role in the overall appearance of the artificial turf once it's been installed. Here's a catch. When you seam two sections of A and B together, it's essential to keep the offset pattern consistent. If you align an A stitch with another A stitch, or a B stitch with another B stitch, you will create visible light or darker lines where the synthetic grass pieces join. And trust me, they'll stand out. The goal is to create a seamless finish. This means taking your time to ensure that the stitches alternate as they should, A to B, then B to A. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in the final result. So remember, learn your turf and don't rush your seam work. Stay consistent with the pattern, double check your alignment, and you'll end up with a flawless professional install every time. Thanks for tuning in. I'm JW, and I'll see you on the next one.